Y'all better show me directions!
Doing the solo, yeah?
What, left or right?
No, just stay in this lane. We take US 27, we take exit 32.
What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at and the sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain, dancing in the rain. I'm happy.
We are going to be sitting here all night.
Hello.
Yeah, it's going to like storm in there.
I'm singing and dancing in the rain.
That's crazy. I think the people behind us.
Yo, what up, Chicania? This is Kyle from Breeze, Carolina. As you can see, it's raining, and I'm soaking wet. Do not miss me too much, but I miss you. You good, alright? Bye.